A design is so sleek and lightweight that it feels feather-light. The motion components are quantum locked in space to provide the smoothest of smooth motions. And it is packaged in the world's most eco-friendly shell made from premium cardboard paper. Powered by Tinkering's latest technology, it is able to atomize the invisible filament we launched last year out of thin air. So unique that only one of one will ever be produced by the hands of our CEO. Introducing the all-new Ditto Cardboard.